Hi and welcome to another video from the Rio Quick Video series. My name is Gary Moulton. This is the second part of a four-part series of contacts, how to record your contacts. And in this video I'm going to show you how to outcome an appointment in your diary. All past appointments in Rio must be outcomed. This can be done immediately after you've booked the appointment, or it could be done sometime later, a day or two later. Either way, it must be done as soon as is possible. So the first thing you'll need to do is locate your diary. So go to the icon for appointments and select and click HCP Diary. Once you get to the diary, you will need to navigate to the required appointment that needs outcoming. So this is on Friday's date, which happens to be where the appointment was recorded, and here it is. So I've scrolled down and it's the 3 o'clock appointment. Notice the color is pink, which means it's a passed on outcomed appointment. And that's Rio's way of highlighting to you that the appointment needs to be outcomed. So we look for the to outcome link, which is just here, and click on that. And this opens up the outcome window. The summary of the appointment details appears at the top of the screen. Name of your client will appear here, and then there are two tabs. The outcome information is the main window which is displayed first, and there's also the activities tab, which must also be done once the information is recorded in the outcome. So let's start with the actual duration. How long did the appointment take? It was 30 minutes. If for some reason it was more than 30 minutes, I could change it by highlighting it and deleting it and entering the actual duration. But it was 30 minutes, so we'll leave it at 30. The scene time means when did you actually see the client? Was it at 3 o'clock, or was it sometime later, maybe 5 or 10 minutes later, or was it actually 5 or 10 minutes earlier? So whatever the scene time was, that needs to be entered here. I happen to see the client at exactly 3 o'clock, so 1500 goes in there. Consultation medium does not need to be completed. The outcome, so what was the outcome? So let's open up the outcome pick list, and there is a whole list of choices here. This appointment happened to be a gatekeeping activity, so here is gatekeeping activity completed is what must be chosen in order for this to be picked up in the reporting for gatekeeping. Produce outpatient discharge summary. This isn't appropriate at this moment in time, so that will be a no. Now we need to go to the Activities tab, so you must always remember this. Click on Activities, and there you will see an activity list appear. So we'll need to scroll through this, and we're looking for Gatekeeping. Click on Gatekeeping, and click on the green plus by your name, and that ensures that the activity is actually now going to be recorded. So remember to click the green plus. If there were more activities involved, then again you would need to scroll through and make a choice of the appropriate activity and click the green plus again, and it would add it to the list. So let's now take a closer look at the column headings for the activities list. Starting with the actual duration column, this column is not to be used, so you can ignore it. The actual column has yes, this means the activity actually took place. The intended column has NA in it because when the appointment was booked, the activity was not recorded at the time as intended. If the activity was recorded at the point of booking this appointment, then this column would have a radio button for you to select if the activity did not take place. The radio button in the main activity column is selected by default because this is the only activity in this appointment. If there were additional activities, you would need to select the appropriate radio button for your main activity. And finally, the delete radio button is there for you to remove any activity entered in error. Okay, that's all we need. Click on Save. And that appointment has now been outcomed. However, you will need to click on the hyperlink at the bottom that says Close Outcome to return to the diary page. So it won't just happen automatically. You need to click on it, and it then brings you back to your diary page. And again, you may need to scroll through the diary to get to the appointment, and here it is. It's now showing the outcome as gatekeeping activity completed. And notice that the color represents community appointment working hours. So it's changed from the passed on outcomed appointment, which is pink, to the orange color, which means that appointment has now been outcomed. Please remember that once an appointment has been outcomed, no information can be changed within the appointment. If you made a mistake, you would need to contact the IT help desk to ask them to reverse the outcome, and then you would need to do the entire process over again with the correct information. That brings us to the end of this video of outcoming your appointments. Please remember to watch the remaining videos in the contact series. These include rescheduling an appointment and cancelling an appointment. If you would like any further information on this or any other Rio functionality, please don't hesitate to contact us on 01925 666655. Alternatively, you can drop us a line at rio.training@5bp.nhs.uk. Thank you for watching.